was a little girl, afraid of the big white world. She grew up within her castle walls. Now and then she tried to run, and then in the night with the setting sun, she went in the woods away, so afraid, all alone. They warned her, don't go there, there's creatures who are hiding in the dark. Then something came creeping, it told her, don't you worry, just follow everywhere I go. Top of the mountains, so I lean low, give you everything you've been dreaming of, just let me in. Ooh, everything you want to go, I'll be the magic story you've been told, and you'll be safe under my control, just let me in. Ooh. Hypnotized and walking on cold and ice. Then it broke and she awoke again. Then she ran faster and started screaming, is this not what I would let? Please help me, come get me. Behind her, she can hear it say, follow everywhere I go. Top of all the mountains, so I lean low, give you everything you've been dreaming of, just let me. Safe under my control, just let me in. Ooh.